Ouch, ouch. He's there? That's scary.
No wonder why I see some big old thing thinking it was a freaking... I thought it was a hawk trying to get me.
That's funny. Like tons and tons of that juicy spring.
Cassandra's all huffing and puffing after she thought she was badass running.
Ew!
Ay, wait. Her big fat body broke. Or red.
Or white that turned red because it's not curious.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Listen.
Listen, mate. Delicious. Let's get listen. We gotta pop that out. Oh, we gotta tackle the alligator. Help me. We got the alligator. Come on. Oh.
Now give it a kick.
We all good. We good. Next one.
Those are your sisters. They get that from the daddy. Move that move!
Sandra, you don't warn us.
She got scared. She probably got scared out her ass herself. Mrs. We have the first say. I am moving for no bike.
You forgot to catch him.
You guys should go through that. You guys should go through that tunnel.
Come on, we go too. Okay. Hey! There's nothing up there. We should try going up there, no?
Well, go. I guarantee you there's a lot of spider webs.
Huh. I'll see you coming back. You ready to go? There's grass. Oh, there is spider webs.
Duh, just act like you didn't see them, girl.
She just went through.
Just keep going. There goes the metiche now. Go, cry baby. Oh, Lord.
You're stupid. You're annoying. Oh, but I'm coming with you.
Don't come.
You know why? Bloody creature. You got to stop the gorilla here.
What happened?
You went into a web. There's a spider on my eye. You got yourself a bloody gorilla up there. So I take you guys to this wonderful adventurous forest. And I come back down for you with a gorilla. What are you? Arabian Chinese?